This video is about CoinGecko. I've made a video previously about CoinMarketCap. They both are the same thing. That's a tracker. This is also a crypto tracker. Allows you to track coins across the crypto market. So there's going to be a quick tutorial on how to use it and just some things you should know about it. So you can open any browser of your choice and head over to coingecko.com. Now, once you're here, you're going to see a interface similar to this, and you're going to have a lot of coins here, a lot of data to go through, and a lot of categories you can browse. So for example, let's start with a coin. Let's take Bitcoin, for example. So once you open any coin on CoinGecko, you're going to see something like this over here. You have the chart, you have the data, you have the price, and you have a lot of other tabs you could go through. So essentially you have the price here. You have your ranges as well. It tells you the market cap and everything else related to the coin. Max supply, total supply, circulating supply. You can also kind of like hover over these icons and see what this exactly means, and this goes for anything that has the icon. Moving over to the chart on the right side, you have time frames. You have the 24-hour time frame, 7-day, 1 month, and so on. You could also look at the chart according to the market cap, or even take yourself to TradingView itself. Going a little bit down on the left side, you're gonna also see info about the coin, stuff like website, explorers, wallets, also like communities, and pretty much everything else that is related to devs themselves. You could also come down a little bit. You could also see the Bitcoin converter that tells you essentially if you had 1 Bitcoin, or let's just say 10 Bitcoin, how much it's gonna be in USD, and so on. BTC historical prices as well, the ranges, 7-day ranges, all-time highs, and all-time lows as well. Also tabs below over here, about, tokenomics, and security. About just tells you what Bitcoin's about, what this coin does. Tokenomics as well tells you about the tokenomics of the token itself. I don't know why it's not loading. And securities, you could read this and you'll know what security does. Oh, my bad, not this, just this as well. Security details right here. You're gonna see what it tells you to do. So that's pretty much it for markets. So Bitcoin markets, all the exchanges that has Bitcoin pairs, you can see these are all centralized exchanges. That's fine. It doesn't matter if it's centralized or decentralized, that's fine. Also a little bit down, you could see Bitcoin latest newses, Bitcoin guides, and other things related to Bitcoin itself. And so that's pretty much it for a regular coin on CoinGecko. We could go back and you could see all these coins over here that you could browse through. You can also see their volumes, their market caps, also categories you can browse through. You also have the option to browse chains and new cryptocurrencies and a lot of other things as well. Exchanges as well, crypto exchanges. These are all the centralized exchanges. You also have decentralized exchanges that you could go through, as well as going back to CoinGecko. Pretty similar things to CoinMarketCap. We also have NFTs, learn, and products, whatnot. So essentially, it's just like CoinMarketCap, and the only difference is that there may be some coins on CoinMarketCap and there may be other coins on CoinGecko. So you kind of want to just search through both and see which one's where and which one you want to follow. So that's pretty much it for CoinGecko, and I'll see you guys in the next video.